Did you know the Pfaff Ambition 620 can sew backwards without you having to do anything? Now, you might have experienced this accidentally when you were just sewing along. So if you go ahead and stop and you touch the reverse button, the last button down, you will notice this green light will turn on. That means you're going to be sewing in reverse, back without you doing anything. So with the light on, it goes backwards. To touch it to go forward again, touch the button. Now some of you are going to notice that you like to do the reversing stitch, but you don't want to have to touch that 2 times, once to turn it on and once to turn it off. So when you actually activate this button, the reverse button for locking stitches, but without having to have it go back forever, you want to touch it while you're sewing. So let's say you get near the end of your fabric, you touch and hold it, release when you're ready, and it will just come back forward as soon as you take your finger off the button. So you see the light turning on, but then also turning off, all while you have the button held. So if you ever find yourself sewing in reverse and you notice the green light, that is why. Now do check out our video on how the locking stitch right here could also give you another way of locking your stitches at the beginning and end.